30-day lemon law for used cars. 30-day lemon law provides protection for customers who buy used cars. For cars that break down after purchase and after several repair attempts, or become unusable for that 30-day period, according to admin.com. Under the law, the dealer is either obligated to replace faulty vehicles or provide the buyer with a refund for their lemon. Rocket Lawyer cautions customers that having their vehicles declared lemon might not be as easy as it sounds. While the fatter Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act offers legal recourse for those who have purchased vehicles that fail in quality and performance. Each state has its own lemon law. Many don't cover used or leased vehicles. Others might recognize a different warranty period or ask for more attempts at repairing the problem. The best thing is to prepare advices car lemon. It is important to retain and provide all the paperwork related to the sale of vehicles. Sellers after claim that buyer is at fault and that mechanical problem doesn't exist. To counteract this, buyer should obtain a complete prior history of the car. A customer must persevere until reaching a satisfactory outcome of dispute. Conducting extensive research and being aware of customer rights are the best protections.